Hi, want to know how to transform portraits into art with the help of AI on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open Gallery on your phone and then choose any photo which has a person on it. Then click on it so you'll be able to see this menu around the photo. And we would need to click on this button with some stars on it. After this, you should be able to see this button, which is saying Portrait Studio, and by clicking on it here, we would be able to choose which portrait style you would like to apply. We have here comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor, and sketch. So for example, let's choose sketch and click generate. Now we would need to wait a little while until the AI is creating a art for us. And this is the result that we got. As you can see here, we got 4 options and they are all different. Here you can choose the option which you think is the best one. And if you would like to save the copy of this photo, click on this button, Save Copy. And this is it. It has been successfully saved into your gallery. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.